This is the main building. We will go inside later. Our inspection team this time consists of 3 international students from well-known American universities who are the principal applicants, and a gentleman from Hong Kong. This is Ajin, Georgia. This area here is mainly where they conduct their office work. This is the main building. Later, we will go to their factory, which is really huge. This dining hall can accommodate 500 people for meals at one time. This is the staff dining hall for Phase VI of Ajin. This is one of the factory buildings. This is the route we came from just now. Now we are going to another factory building. Here, there are mainly die casting machines, as well as areas for storing and transporting the finished products. There is also some equipment that serves as collateral. They are all exactly the same. You can see that this part is still under construction. This machine will be installed to a depth of about 3 floors underground. When it is fully installed in the future, it will be just like this one. Let's take a look at the factory here. Then you can see the mortgaged Press A and Press B here. This is not part of the 21% provided by Hyundai. This was purchased by Ajin itself. So, if Ajin, including now, doesn't have an adequate assessment and understanding of this industry or the trend, they wouldn't have built such a large factory. This equipment needs to be 3 installed floors underground. It's very difficult to move it away, and it's also very difficult to disassemble it. Now, let's go and visit the other half of the factory. Inside the factory now, some of the mechanical equipment has already been in place and has started the testing phase. Ahead is our large inspection team. This area here is for cutting steel plates. Currently, all the machines are in the testing phase. The official production will start in October 2024. The project was scheduled to be completed by the end of June 2024, but as of May 2024, it has already been completed ahead of schedule. At present, some of the equipment has already been brought in and the trial operation and testing have started.